Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the reading list of the Hindu newspaper 12th of July 2023. In this video, I will tell you which are the important topics from the prelims and mains dimension in the Hindu newspaper today. The very first topic is Supreme Court asks ED chief to quit but upholds the amendments. Guys, this topic is important from the prelims perspective. Okay, you need to know what is the appointment process of ED and CBI chief. ED and CBI chief, what is the appointment process from the prelims dimension, and what are the various provisions under the Central Vigilance Commission Act and the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. Okay, you need to know that. Also, this topic is also important from General Studies paper 2 polity. General Studies paper 2 polity, there is a topic appointment process. Appointment process. So overall appointment process and functioning of the security agencies can be asked. Okay, critically examine their functioning also and their independence. Further moving on, guys, this topic is important from the prelims dimension. You need to prepare what is GST Council, what kind of body is GST Council, is it a constitutional body? Okay, so kind, then you need to know the composition and the decision making process. Okay, and you need to also prepare the various slabs, tax slabs which are there in this council. Moving on, guys, center's view on Kashmir situation has no bearing on Article 370 case. Okay, so here you need to prepare this topic from the prelims dimension. What was Article 370 and how there was a dilution of Article 370. Moving on, guys, this topic is important from the prelims perspective. You can see here leachates spill in Aravali's activist right to the right bodies. Here you need to prepare the topic of leaching. The topic of leaching, okay, in prelims, and its impact on groundwater. Also, this topic is important. Okay, from the map point, you need to prepare what are Aravalis, where are they situated, why they are important. And also from the mains dimension, General Studies paper 3 environment, you need to prepare solid waste management. Guys, moving on. So this is a very important editorial. Basically, it talks about demographic transition happening from the gender dimension. Here, you should go through this editorial and you should prepare the concept of gender dividend. Very, very important. Guys, this year demographics is very important because India becoming one of the most populous countries. So anything related to population, particularly the gender dimension, becomes very important. Moving on, another editorial, greenwashing. Changes to forest conservation laws must be backed by scientific evidence. Guys, this topic is important from the mains dimension. Critically examine the forest conservation amendment bill. And from the prelims dimension, you need to know what is greenwashing. Guys, the same article, it is there, this item also. Let us move on, guys. Citizens action for clean politicians and cleaner politics. Okay, so guys, overall you need to prepare this topic from the General Studies paper 2 mains dimension. You need to prepare two topics: decriminalization of politics. Okay, you need to prepare this topic. Okay, next, moving on, guys, unseemly politics on the uniform civil code. Again, General Studies paper 2 polity mains topic. You need to prepare this from the mains dimension. Moving on, guys, North India's monsoon mayhem. So you need to prepare this topic, both from the prelims perspective. You need to prepare monsoon, factors affecting monsoon, and effect of climate change on monsoon. Okay, and you need to also prepare the various concepts of El Nino, and its impact on Indian monsoon. Similarly, you need to prepare this topic from the mains dimension also. General Studies paper 1, geography. Impact of climate change on Indian monsoon. Moving on, guys, you can see what is the legal row between farmers and PepsiCo. But this is a very, very important topic, which is important both from the prelims and mains dimension. From the prelims dimension, the provisions of Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers Act 2001. What are the salient features of this act? It's very, very important. And also from the mains dimension, also General Studies paper 3, the science and tech section, in the section IPR is mentioned. Here you need to prepare the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers Rights Act 2001. Next, poll bonds, chief source of donation for political parties. So this topic is important from the prelims dimension. What are poll bonds? Okay, what are electoral bonds? And critically examine electoral bonds. Okay, the general studies paper 2 polity. Okay, mains dimension. Moving on, guys, center to clarify. Okay, the places of worship act. Okay, so this topic is important from the prelims dimension. Next, Supreme Court seeks center EC response on delimitation in Arunachal Pradesh. So guys, you need to prepare what is delimitation, what is delimitation commission, what are the various constitutional and legal provisions mentioned about delimitation commission. Guys, here you need to make a note that under the RPA Act, there is a special provision where the delimitation exercise of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland can be with the election commission, so you need to prepare this provision, very important. Moving on, okay, tribal members should be part of the supervisory team, Supreme Court to Manipur. Okay, here you need to prepare Zo Kuki tribes. Okay, so from the map perspective you need to prepare that. Then 10 from Myanmar let into Manipur over medical emergency. Guys, here you need to prepare this topic from the map perspective. Which are the states, Indian Northeast states, which share boundary with Myanmar. Moving on, you can see Murmu lays stress on constitutional ideals at the meet. Guys, this topic is important from General Studies paper 4 ethics. General Studies paper 4 ethics. Okay, in this you have to prepare various constitutional ideas which are mentioned here from the ethics dimension. Next, Rain Tall points out to man-made disaster in Himachal Pradesh. So in General Studies paper 3, disaster management, what are man-made disasters, and are these disasters which are there because of the heavy rainfall and flooding are natural disasters or man-made disasters? Okay, why they are called man-made? You need to prepare that because of the developmental activities on the floodplain are creating these disasters. You need to prepare that. Okay, moving on, guys, one more cheetah from Africa dies in Kuno Park. So from the prelims perspective, Kuno National Park becomes very important, and the cheetah relocation plan becomes very, very important. 415 million people came out of multidimensional poverty in 15 years since UNDP study. Okay, so first of all, from the prelims dimension, you need to prepare what is multidimensional poverty index. What is multidimensional poverty index? Which is the body which brings out this multidimensional poverty index? And from the mains dimension, General Studies paper 2, you need to prepare poverty alleviation in India. What are the what are the programs progress? You need to prepare this. Okay, guys, moving on. You see here, first French long range missiles reach Ukraine. So basically Scalp long range cruise missiles. Okay, so from the prelims dimension, this is important. No timeline set for Ukraine's membership, says NATO chief. So Ukraine membership of NATO. So NATO becomes very, very important. Okay, grouping you need to prepare. What is the criteria of NATO grouping? Okay, next you can see here Saudi deposits 2 billion in Pak Central Bank. Because you all know that Pakistan is suffering from a economic crisis where it wants support from other countries and the IMF, and recently Pakistan has received some help from IMF. Next, you see even Sri Lanka is passing through an economic crisis and it is also needing support of IMF and other nations. So India, Japan and some other countries have come together to basically help the debt plan of Sri Lanka. In this context, you need to prepare India-Sri Lanka relation from the General Studies paper 2 mains dimension. From the prelims dimension, you need to prepare Paris Club. You need to prepare Paris Club, and you need to prepare the role of IMF. Okay, guys. Okay, next, protest erupt as EU bill to protect nature goes to vote. So, guys, European Union has come out with a bill for restoration of nature, and that has created a lot of controversy in Europe. So, you need to prepare. Guys, Supreme Court asks SEBI why was the law altered to jettison norms barring opacity in the FPI ownership. So guys, what are FPIs? What are issues regarding this FPI ownership? Because from the prelims perspective, this topic becomes very, very important. Moving on, guys, Foxconn says it will apply for PLI scheme after the Vedanta split. So this PLI scheme becomes very important from the prelims dimension and also from the mains dimension, how far this PLI scheme is successful for incentivizing manufacturing in India. Next, global COVID-19 spending may touch 500 billion by 2047. Here, what I was going through, I found out few important concepts which you can prepare, like nutraceuticals, okay, nutraceuticals, and cell therapy and gene therapy. Okay, you need to prepare this. Moving on, guys. Okay, RBI to boost e-rupee transactions to 10 lakh a day. Next, Schedule M to be mandatory for MSME pharma soon. So this Schedule M, okay, from prelims perspective, what is Schedule M? It's a regulation regarding pharma sector. You need to prepare that. Okay. Last is Chandrayaan 3. Okay, Chandrayaan 3. This topic is very important from the prelims dimension. You need to prepare the details of Chandrayaan 3. Okay, the details of Chandrayaan 3, which is the rocket which is being used. So, okay, vehicle Mark 3 is being used for this Chandrayaan mission, and what are the various instruments which are there on this Chandrayaan 3. You need to prepare that, and what is the importance of this Chandrayaan mission you need to prepare. So here you can go through the comparison of Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3. This launch vehicle is also very important. GSLV Mark 3 launch vehicle is also very, very important. Guys, there are various payloads. For example, shape payload on this Chandrayaan 3, Chandrayaan 2. So it becomes very, very important. Okay, this Chandrayaan 3. Okay, various payloads becomes very, very important. So guys, please prepare this topic from the prelims dimension. Okay, all the details of this mission. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.